Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the final round of video game trivia. Before we get started, let's meet our players. You may know this guy as the mascot of Nintendo, Mario! Hello, it's me, Mario. And over to your right is he's fat, loves garlic. He's the one and only Wario!
Thank you very much. Subscribe to me.
So, these two will be answering some video game trivia questions, and the winner will win this prize. What will they be playing for? You all will be playing for a brand new car!
Oh my god! A card! A card? It's mine!
No, it's mine! Will you all quit fighting over a stupid car? Oh wait, this ain't no stupid car. Oh no. This is a stunt vehicle. This vehicle is easily performs stunts and wheelies. That's right, it performs crazy stunts. Has a 360-degree spin and other stunts, and even fully functional racing action, making this car worth, let's just say $20-some thousand. Back to you, Goomba! Our players will be playing today to answer questions from video games, and whoever gets the most right wins the car. Losers win. I'm not gonna tell you, it's a surprise. Secret. Let's get started. First question. What is the name of the world's fastest hedgehog? Sonic the Hedgehog. Correct, Mario. So let me write that score down. Hurry up.
Yeah, hurry up already.
Okay. Second question. What phase is heard when Scorpion uses his spear in Mortal Kombat?
Oh, I know.
Wario.
Get over here!
That's right. Another point for Wario.
I'll get that card in no time.
We'll see about that. Number 3. Who plays Mario in the 1993 Super Mario Bros. Movie? Mario? Bob Hoskin. Correct. Number 4. What color is Pac-Man?
Yellow.
We have a tie. Okay. Number 5. Black Ops is subtitled in what game franchise? Mario?
Call of Duty.
Correct. We have a tie. 3-3. Who will take home the car? Mario or Wario? Number 6. How many blocks each Tetris piece composed? I don't know. 4? Correct! Mario got that right. Okay, question 7. What is the name of Sonic's sidekick? Tails? Correct! Mario, excuse me. Number 8. How many dots on Pac-Man board? Oh.
That's a tough one.
Time's up. The correct answer is 240. In case you didn't know that, folks, that's 240 dots on Pac-Man board. Anyway, let's continue. Question number 9. What is the name of the first home video game console? Time's up. The correct answer is the Magnavox Odyssey. Why didn't I think of that before? Next question. What is the name of Wario's first appearance?
6 golden coins, Super Mario Land 2.
Correct, Wario. How did you know that?
That's my first game, you idiot.
Oh, yeah. Next question. What's the next question? Come on. All right. PlayStation game that fans consider Sony's equivalent to Super Mario Bros. Which one is it? Crash Bandicoot? Correct! Mario, you won the car! I have? Yes! Go check out your car! Oh boy! I won the car! And look at the score, ladies and gentlemen. 6-4. Mario is the winner! Sorry, Wario. Better luck next time.
But what do I win?
Oh yes, I almost forgot. You win $1! Oh, I'm sorry about that, guys, but we gotta go. So, see you next time on Video Game Trivia. See ya! Bye-bye!
I said bye-bye. Turn that camera off! Okay. Are you kidding me? Are you seriously kidding me? All that work? Answering 4 questions? All I get is just a plain old dollar?
Hey, Wario! How do you like my brand new card?
Oh, I'm so happy for you.
I'm going for a ride. See you on the road. Ow! How do you even drive this thing? Where is that game host when I need him? How do I drive this thing? Ow! Oh, damn it! I got it!
I got nothing. I don't know how to describe it. I lost video game trivia, and all I get is $1? I got nothing. That should have been my card. I should have won that card. I should have been on the road. That's not fair. I wish I had that card. Wait a minute. Of course. Why didn't I think of that before? I'll steal Mario's new card. So, you want $1, Mario? Oh, I'll give you $1, all right. To let me buy your card? Thank you, Grand Theft Auto. For giving me the idea to steal Mario's car.
Hey, Luigi! Luigi, check out my new car!
I saw you on TV to win the car, Mario. You got room for one more?
I don't know. Let's see. Hey, it works!
Come on, let's go home.
Okie dokie. Whoa, watch where you're going! Don't you even know how to drive this thing? No, they didn't give me instructions! Whoa, ow! Don't worry, I got it!
Let me drive.
No, it's my car. I won it.
Don't give me that car. That's mine.
I'm driving it.
Okay, I'm driving it. You're driving like a maniac. You're driving like a maniac.
What, by crashing into the wall? I don't even know how to drive this. I just got it just today.
So, if you got a car, you need to know how to drive it.
Crap. Oh, crap. Well, I tried. Oh. Whew. Alright, Luigi. That's that. What do you want to do?
How about we play Wii U?
Yeah, let's play some Mario Kart 8.
Good idea.
Let's go.
Don't get your hopes up, Mario. That car is mine.